Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation. Please take a moment to like and subscribe the video as it helps support the channel and helps spread the practice of meditation. Now please take a moment and get comfortable wherever you're sitting. It could be in a chair, you could be sitting on a cushion, or even you might want to try laying down. So get comfortable in your seat. And now let's turn our attention to the breath. Try breathing in through the nose and then out through the mouth. Focus on where you can feel the air. Is it on the tip of your nose? Do you feel your chest expanding? Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. As you're doing this, it's okay if random thoughts appear in your head. This is normal. Just become aware that you're having a thought, and you notice, then it will just simply fade away. Continue to breathe in through the nose. Feel the air going through your nose. Feel your chest expanding. Take a moment to pause, then let it out. What we're doing here is we're turning our awareness to our breath, something that is always with us, but we don't really notice it until we turn the spotlight of our attention onto it. Now try breathing in through the nose. Try breathing into your stomach. Feel your stomach expanding, ballooning up, and then breathe out through the mouth. Just with our breath, we're able to experience many different feelings in different places. Try this time when you breathe in through the nose, try breathing into your head. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. When we breathe into our chest, we're breathing into the middle part of our lungs. When we're breathing into our stomach, it's the bottom part of the lungs. And when we breathe into the head, it is the top part of the lungs. Breathe in through the nose. Again now, out through the mouth. Thoughts may come and go, just as they do throughout the day. And when we turn the spotlight of our attention onto it, we take away the power of the thoughts. It could be something about work, friends, or just any random distraction. But it is always in your ability to become aware that you are having that thought and to let it go. This can be happy thoughts. This could be angry ones too. But what's great is we have the ability to not let it affect us or to affect our mood. Now take a moment and feel the pressure of your feet on the ground. This is a pressure that's always there, but again, we don't really realize it or pay attention to it. Feel the way your foot is pushing down on the ground or the carpet, and how the ground or carpet is pushing back. How about your back? If you're sitting in a chair, it could be pushing against the back of the chair, and the chair is right there, pushing back. Just become aware of that area of contact. How about your hands? Are they resting on your legs or the armchair? And that too is supporting you back. Let's take another breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. One more deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take a moment now to take stock of how you're feeling. Do you feel calm? Have your worries dissipated? Do you feel happy? Just by taking this 5 minutes every day, you can experience the great health benefits. You can feel more balanced. You can feel kind of more calm. You can open your eyes now. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.